Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see and understand the insider risk management reports. So I will just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal, and if you would see, you will log into purview.microsoft.com. In the insider risk management solution, you will click on reports. Right? Reports will help you understand the landscape of your insider risk program. Only admins with appropriate permissions can view reports. So if you want to follow the documentation, you go to Microsoft.com documentations. All right, come back here. It says report name, alerts, preview. And if you'll click on it, it will show you the trends for generated alert, actions, take on alerts over time, and alerts by policy. I don't have any alerts which is still in preview because this is my lab environment. It will give you the alerts which are addressed, demographics, top departments with alerts, insight, alerts by top, activity that generated the alert. Okay. Now when you work with the reports for insider risk management, you must be a member of the applicable role or role group. The permissions requirements are different for viewing reports, for alerts and cases, and the permissions required to view reports for analytics. Okay, so check out Microsoft documentation if you want to know about permissions for insider risk management and permissions for insider risk management and administrative units. And if you'll come here, so there are customized charts as well. So for each report area, there are some predefined report filter controls and a date selector which are available to help us quickly scope insights to specific criteria or date ranges, right? And to dive deeper into the results contained in a report, you will also see chart details for that report. So in the details view, you can scope the information using filters and change your views by dates or policies. So this alerts reports which is in preview, it investigate potentially risky user activities, which is an important first step in minimizing insider risk for the organization. Now, these risks may be activities that generate alerts from insider risk management policies, and alert reports provide insights into alert volumes, progress of managing alerts. As I told you, it would have a summary of the alerts generated, displays the number of alerts confirmed to a case, demographics, insights, productivity. And then there is one analytics report which is not available because this is my lab tenant, but in prod environment it will be available. Now after the first analytics scan is complete for the organization, members of the insider risk management admins role group will automatically receive an email and can view the initial insights and recommendations for potentially risky activity by the users, right? And then for complete analysis, you will see the potential risk discovered in your organization and insights and recommendations to address these risks. Now if you'll see the cases preview, the cases reports which is also in preview, now this allows you to deeply investigate and act on issues generated by risk indicators defined in the policies. Cases are manually created from alerts in situations where further action is needed to address a compliance related issue for a user. It will also give you the cases created, cases resolved, demography, productivity. And then you also have user activity reports. So user activity reports allow you to examine potentially risky activities for specific users and for a defined time period without having to assign these activities, right? So In most insider risk management scenarios, users are explicitly defined in policies and they may have policy alerts depending upon triggering events and risk scores associated with the activities. But in some scenarios, you may want to examine the activities for users that are not explicitly defined in a policy. So after you've configured indicators on the insider risk management settings page, user activity is detected for potentially risky activity associated with the specific indicator that you have selected. These reports would show you that. Now, if you want to create a user activity report, you can click on here. You select create user activity report. You specify the date, you specify the end date, then you specify a user. Let's say I select my name and you create a report and you click on close. So this report will be created because I don't have such activity which is related to insider risk management or which, alerting activity. That's why we don't see it. Okay. This is what I wanted to cover in the report sections for insider risk management. I hope this was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.